Hello, my name is Borislav Stojkov, professor at the University of Belgrade, Faculty of Geography, and the member of Academy of Engineering Sciences of Serbia, coordinating the section for Cities of the Future. Based on the long scientific and professional work, my estimation is that resilient urban and rural partnership should be treated as one of crucial instruments for better regional cohesion and sustainable development of local communities, rural ones in particular. The focus of scientists, planners and policymakers is mainly on urban issues today, while rural issues are still neglected, especially in transitional countries where rural areas are flooded with huge number of shrinking small villages, demographic, economic and social problems. I understand urban-rural partnership as the most reliable mode for functional linking urban and rural areas, but only if serious preconditions are provided. Without the proper legislative, active institutions, education and a joint focus of policymakers and science, urban-rural partnership cannot be accepted as a concept of local, regional or even national top interest, but only formally. Now, I'm in favor of the holistic approach with urban and rural areas as functional unity instead of two separate units. One body with two faces, with equal rights and specific duties of both in terms of economy, public services, gender equity, ecology and specific policy making, governance. With local and regional incentives and the support of state, urban and rural areas should be connected in close functional relation based on the principle of equality, with specific functional roles of both. We are ready to develop scientific actions for active urban-rural partnership concept in Serbia with partners from its surroundings and wider from European Union. We believe that the new Leipzig Charter and new territorial agenda, dominantly focused to urban issues, could be inspired by contributions from the conference, primarily from the standpoint of an advanced model of connecting rural and urban areas with their different but compatible roles, and of resilient partnership and cohesive interdependence of an equal unity. Hoping to see you in Leipzig this November at the conference.